Hi, I'm Joan Burge, founder of Live a Big Life. Welcome to Life's Big Moments, where I share life-changing inspirational principles based on my book, Give Yourself Permission to Live a Big Life. I have spent the past 42 years as a successful corporate career woman and also as a daughter, sister, wife of 34 years, grandmother, and more recently, widow. Like you, I wear many hats. In this video, I want to talk to you about why you need to live your big life. And there are two main reasons. The number one reason is regret. You don't want to have regrets when you get toward the end of your life, which actually we don't know when our life is going to end, but you don't want to get to that point and regret that you didn't spend enough time with your family, friends, partner, or spouse. You don't want to regret that you didn't save enough money for your retirement, or that you didn't make time for your wellness, and now you're really struggling as you get into your 60s and 70s, which happens to everyone unless you've taken care of yourself. But you know what? As women, we take care of everyone else and we put ourselves last. I'm going to talk to you about that in another video, so be sure to follow this series. The second reason is because you want to become all you were meant to be. You have so much potential within you. I see it every single time. I have worked with women for 23 years. I speak to them, I coach them, I train them, and I help inspire them to become their very, very best. I know for myself, I'm not all I'm meant to be yet. As much as I've achieved, as much as I've fulfilled in my life, I still have so much more that I want to do, and I bet you're the same way. So again, the two main reasons why you want to live your big life is you don't want to have any regrets. Secondly, you want to be all that you were meant to be. I'm going to give you specific strategies in these videos, so please be sure to watch the rest of this series. If you like today's message, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family on Facebook and LinkedIn. Together as women, we will live our big life.